My hand is
We are doing the peanut butter challenge. And yeah, let's do this.
Alright, if I don't fall out my door first.
Yeah.
Peanut butter. It's a lot of peanut butter
And
in my mouth.
it's the wrong kind of peanut butter, but whatever.
Super chunky.
Woo! Yeah.
You guys ready? Wait.
No.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. No.
That's not good, Joe.
That's very gross. I was saving it for later.
You already have it down?
Yeah?
You look crazy. How do you do that?
It's so easy. God, wait.
Daniel, 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 Daniel.
Almost there.
Open.
In 1 more second.
I have mine done.
Ah.
Dude, peanut butter is good.